Asante mheshimiwa. God is good and all the time. Adoa nyumba muriega rege. Ngai ni mwega. Ingo shiode. Twe hamwe. Neguo. Asanteni sana. Mimi pia ni mudhoniwa kama His Excellency. Asanteni sana. Bishop Wangari, nilikuwa nimeketi pale na umenifurahisha sana. Receive spiritual nourishment. Na amenikumbusha alipokuwa akiongea, kuna story katika Biblia in the book of 1 Kings 12 from verse 1 to 17. The Bible said that after the death of King Solomon, and after King Solomon had lost favor, his son called Rehoboam took over from him and was installed as a king at a place called Shechem. Then Jeroboam heard of the installation of Rehoboam as a king. Jeroboam went into hiding from King Solomon in Egypt. He came back, then together with the elders, they went to King Rehoboam, told him, "King, we want you to lighten the burden on our shoulders. We want you kupunguza mzigo kwa wananchi wako ili tukupende zaidi." Then Rehoboam told them, "Go and come back after 3 days." Rehoboam went to the elders who were advising his father King Solomon. Asked them, "What do I tell my people? They want me to remove the yoke, the burden from them." Then the elders told him, "Please go and help your people. Tell them, do unto them what they want. Remove the yoke from their shoulders." Rehoboam ignored and went to his peers, his age mates, and told them the same thing. Then his age mates misadvised him. Told him that, "Go and tell the people that your little finger is bigger than your father's waist. That number 2, if your father used to beat them with whips, you will unleash scorpion on them. Kama baba yako alikuwa kiwachapa na mjeledi, wewe utapeleka nge kwao, scorpions." And number 3, if your father was taxing them, you will overtax them. Then Rehoboam went and told the people that. Then God's favor left Rehoboam, as was prophesied by Ahijah the Shilonite. Therefore, the kingdom of Israel divided into 2. The 12 tribes of Israel, 10 tribes, the northern kingdom took the Israel kingdom, which was headed by Jeroboam, the son of Nebat. Then the kingdom of Judah, the southern kingdom, was headed by Rehoboam. In other words, God's favor left Rehoboam. Na hapa nchi yetu tunaambia rais, before the God's favor imwache, kwa sababu tukiangalia kahawa, ushuru. Tukiangalia majani chai, ushuru. Tukiangalia maziwa, ushuru. Tukiangalia unga, ushuru. Kila kitu, ushuru. Kwa hivyo, hivi karibuni, Rehoboam wa Kenya atakuwa replaced na Jeroboam. Bishop, umeombea His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka umempaka mafuta hapa. Wale wengine wakikuja wapakwe mafuta, waambie mafuta imeisha, maji ndio iko. Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki.